Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement selection sort. For selection sort, given an unsorted array, our goal is to sort it in ascending order. So after sorting complete, we expect, as you can see, the number is sorted in ascending order. So for selection sort, we need to first we can either go from left to or right of the array. For now, we're gonna start from the left. We select the first element from the left, right? So in this case, here is the orange slot, where 29 is sitting at. So our goal is to put in here the smallest number of the array. The next step is to find the smallest number except from the array, from the subarray, except for 29. So we start from 72 to 36 to find the smallest number, which is 13. So we found 13 is the smallest number, and it is less than 29, so we swap these two together. So 13 goes to the first item, the first slot in the array, because it's the smallest. And so we've successfully bring the smallest number, we successfully put the smallest number in the whole array into the first slot, right? So now our next step is to we select the next slot to work on, and this is where the second smallest number should be sitting at, right? So now, so the next step is again trying to iterate to the array except for these two, 13 and 72. So we found 29. So 29 is less than the slot we're considering here. So 29 goes to 72. So as you can see, so as the algorithm goes on, for every step we try to select a slot that we we want to put the next smallest number in. So the orange, as you can see, the orange slot is where we are working on, where we are trying to put the next smallest number. The left side of the array is the sorted part of the array. it is sorted from smallest, right? So as we go on and go on, we get our array sorted. So let's come back to the coding part. So for selection sort, we firstly, let's say how many iterations we should run for the algorithm. Let's say for each iteration we need to select one slot and bring the correct number to the slot, right? So we need to, so at very last iterations, which is the number before the last, right? So after this iteration, we are sure that the last one is also at a correct position. So let's say the total of n elements in the array, we probably just want to run the total of n minus 1 iterations. So start from 0 and till n minus 1, right? As long as less than n minus 1. So there's total of n minus 1 iterations to bring n minus 1 numbers back to its correct positions. What is the next step here? So the i's is the slot that we are selecting, we are considering. So we just want to, the next step is to find the smallest number, because we're going from the left. So we want to find the smallest number. We want to find the smallest number to the right of the number of slot we are selecting, which is I. So we probably start from, let ij equal to I plus 1. J's, we want to find smallest number all the way to the right, so we want to run to n j plus plus. So as we traverse, as we iterate all the way to the right, we want to save, to memorize the current minimum, current index of current minimum number. So let's say let's first initialize the index number to I. Let's index of min is I. So if the current number array j is less than array at index of min, we want to reassign the index of min to J. So after we exit the loop, it means we already have the index of min storing the index of the smallest number, right? So so there's two cases here. It is that, like for example, we are considering 29 and we found a x number that is the smallest number. Let's say initially we assign the index of minimum number is I, right? So if index of minimum number has been reassigned, in that case we want to it means the number we're selecting, the sort we're selecting is not the smallest number, so we want to swap it with the current index of min. So if index of min has changed different from I, we want to swap value of array index of min array I. Here is the array I and array index of min. So if index of min still equal to I, it means the number we are selecting is already the smallest number starting, not the smallest number in whole array, but the smallest number starting from itself to the all the way to the right. For example, 72, we're only considering the subarray starting from 72 all the way to the right. The left hand side, the left subarray is already sorted, is already at its correct position. So right, we want to bring it back to the index of min. So let's run it. Let's run the test. It's not passing. We forgot to return the array after sorting. Awesome, it works. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.